morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Bitcoin is currently down 8% in February and is less than a week away from registering its first negative monthly returns since February 2020. With the average return sitting at around 14%, the likelihood of Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high is relatively low based on current sentiments. Gold prices surged to a record high, driven by safe haven demand amid concerns over US President Donald Trump's tariff plans, with additional support coming from inflows into the world's top gold-backed exchange-traded fund. Wall Street's main indexes were mixed in choppy trading, with technology stocks creating the biggest drag as investors awaited results from chip giant Nvidia for clues on the future of demand for artificial intelligence technology. The Dow and the S&P 500 managed small gains.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US 5-year note auction will be released at 18 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 15:30 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 14 GMT. The US API Weekly Crude Oil Stock will be released at 21:30 GMT. Germany's Gross Domestic Product at 7 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.